Looking for a powerful way to keep your floors spotless? In today's video, we'll explore the best scrubber for tile floors, designed to remove dirt, stains, and grime effortlessly, making your tiles shine like brand new again. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Shark Crubber for tile floors. The Shark Crubber for tile floors is a true game changer for anyone looking to keep their floors spotless and sanitized without extra effort. Combining steam power with automatic scrubbing action, this high-performance cleaner delivers exceptional cleaning results on a variety of sealed hard floors, including tile, hardwood, marble, and stone. Its tough yet gentle scrubbing mechanism ensures deep cleaning without damaging the surface. The rotating pads produce over 150 scrubs per minute, meaning even the most stubborn stains and sticky messes are removed effortlessly. With 3 steam modes, light, normal, and deep, you can tailor your cleaning intensity depending on the mess. Whether it's a quick cleanup or a deep refresh, this scrubber adapts perfectly to your needs. The powerful LED headlights make hidden dirt and grime visible, ensuring you don't miss a single spot. Beyond its cleaning power, the sleek and durable design provides easy maneuverability, while the high-efficiency brushless motor guarantees low vibration and quiet operation. Compared to traditional steam mops, this scrubber offers up to 2x better stain removal, tested and verified under strict conditions. For those who want sanitized, shining floors without endless scrubbing, the Shark Crubber is an unbeatable choice that combines innovation, durability, and convenience in one compact device. Number 2. PUFTEM Crubber for tile floors. The PUFTEM Crubber for tile floors is designed to make your cleaning tasks faster, easier, and more efficient. With a powerful motor and ergonomic cordless design, this electric spin scrubber cuts your cleaning time by up to 70%, eliminating the need for long, tiring scrubbing sessions. Its dual-speed functionality lets you switch between 380 revolutions per minute for regular cleaning and 450 revolutions per minute for tackling tough stains. The IPX7 waterproof design ensures full protection against water, allowing you to rinse the device safely under the faucet. The standout feature is its 2-in-1 long and short handle design, perfect for both close-up cleaning in kitchens and extended reach in bathrooms or tiled floors. The extendable handle, ranging from 43 to 52 inches, allows you to clean floors, bathtubs, or walls without bending or straining your back. With 8 replaceable brush heads, the PUFTEM Crubber easily adapts to different surfaces, from tile floors and glass to car tires and stoves. The soft yet durable bristles ensure scratch-free cleaning while maintaining deep scrubbing power. It comes complete with a USB charging cable, storage bag, and convenient hanging hook for easy organization. For busy households or anyone seeking a time-saving cleaning solution, the PUFTEM Crubber is the perfect combination of versatility, power, and comfort, ensuring your tiles and other surfaces stay spotless every day. Number 3. EYEFEAT Crubber for tile floors. The EYEFEAT Crubber for tile floors brings modern innovation to household cleaning, offering superior comfort and efficiency. Specifically upgraded for 2025, this electric spin scrubber is a must-have for those who struggle with back or knee pain while cleaning. Its extendable design allows you to clean floors, bathtubs, and even ceilings without bending or kneeling. The scrubber's built-in rechargeable lithium battery provides up to 100 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, giving you uninterrupted performance for larger areas. Engineered with IPX7 waterproof protection, it's safe to use in wet environments, and the brush heads can be rinsed directly under running water. The EYEFEAT Crubber includes 7 interchangeable brush heads, each designed for specific cleaning needs, from tackling tile grout in corners to cleaning furniture, glass, and car surfaces. The high-quality soft bristles ensure effective cleaning without scratching delicate materials. It also features 2 adjustable speeds, 280 revolutions per minute for light daily cleaning and 360 revolutions per minute for deep scrubbing. The detachable and adjustable handle makes it easy to switch between short or extended modes, ensuring optimal comfort for every task. Whether you're cleaning kitchen tiles, bathroom walls, or car wheels, the EYEFEAT Crubber handles it all with ease. Combining powerful rotation, ergonomic comfort, and long battery life, it's one of the most practical and advanced scrubbers on the market for those who want spotless results with minimal effort. Number 4. Air U+ Crubber for tile floors. The Air U+ Crubber for tile floors stands out with its innovative 3 in-one cleaning design, offering a powerful combination of scrubbing, scraping, and sweeping. It features a dual-sided scrub brush and an integrated squeegee that effortlessly removes stubborn stains, dirty water, and dust, leaving your tile floors spotless. The 360-degree rotating head allows smooth access to corners and tight spaces, ensuring no dirt is left behind. This ergonomic design provides comfort during long cleaning sessions, whether you're scrubbing floors or scraping away grime. The adjustable handle, extending between 30 and 50 inches, means you can clean without bending or straining your back, making it ideal for users of all heights. Built with durable PVC bristles, a rubber squeegee, and a stainless steel handle, the Air U Plus Crubber promises longevity and heavy-duty performance. The hard bristles tackle tough stains with ease, while the squeegee efficiently removes dirty water, leaving a streak-free finish. Perfect for bathrooms, patios, kitchens, and tiled walls, this scrubber offers both effectiveness and convenience. Its simple yet sturdy design makes an excellent choice for anyone who values functionality over complexity. With a comfortable grip and lightweight build, the Air U Plus Crubber combines durability, ergonomic design, and multi-purpose cleaning performance, making it a reliable household essential for deep cleaning tile floors and beyond. Number 5. MR.SIGA Crubber for Tile Floors. The MR.SIGA Crubber for tile floors is built for those who demand durability and performance in their cleaning tools. Made from high-quality plastic and a sturdy steel pole, this heavy-duty scrubber is tough enough for any cleaning job, from bathrooms to garages. Its V-shaped stiff bristles are engineered to reach deep into grout lines, corners, and narrow gaps, effectively removing stubborn grime and dirt. Whether you're tackling tile floors, pool edges, or kitchen surfaces, the MR.SIGA scrubber maintains its strength even after extended use. The 180-degree swivel head makes maneuvering around corners and hard-to-reach spots effortless, ensuring thorough cleaning every time. The 50-inch adjustable handle, made of 3 powder-coated steel sections, allows users to set the ideal length for their comfort and lock it in place securely. The foam-wrapped top handle provides a comfortable grip, enabling firm pressure during tough scrubbing. Beyond performance, MR.SIGA's mission is clear: to make housework easier and more efficient. This versatile tool serves as both a grout cleaner and floor scrubber, offering unmatched control and flexibility. Its durable build ensures long-term reliability, while the ergonomic design minimizes fatigue during extended cleaning. Perfect for households that value both function and longevity, the MR.SIGA Crubber delivers a professional-level clean with every use, proving that even the toughest dirt is no match for its precision-engineered design and powerful scrubbing action. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.